Find function counts the text character in the text string. In find text argument, type the text you want to find in the text string. In within text argument, select the text string containing the text you want to find. In start num arguments, type the number. Number specifies the character at which to start counting the character in the text string. Let's suppose I type uppercase letter T in find text box. Type T, press tab key. Select this text string in within text box. I am going to find the character number from the text string. If you leave blank start num box, in default 1 is entered. Click OK. Find function returns 4. This is character number 1, this is character number 2, this is character number 3, and letter T is in position 4. As a result, function returns 4 in this cell. Now I find the position of this uppercase letter T in this cell. Activate this cell, press delete key, click text arrow button, click find function. Again type uppercase letter T in find text box. Press tab key. In within text box, click this text string. Press tab key. In start num box, type 5. This is character number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Find function starts searching the uppercase letter T from character number 5, but it starts to counting the character from character number 1. Click OK. It returns 11 because the position of this uppercase letter T is in number 11. Activate this cell. Click text arrow button. Click find function. In find text box, type lowercase letter t. Press tab key. In within text box, click this text string. Press tab key. Type 1 or you can leave blank this argument. Click OK. Function returns 11 because only one lowercase letter t is in this text string. Now activate this cell. Click text arrow button. Click find function. In find text box, type 4. Press tab key. In within text box, click this text string. Leave blank this box. Click OK. Function returns the position of first letter F of text 4 is in 15 number. In this way, you can find the character number in a text string by using find function.